Okay, today the little blue boat is getting a new steering wheel. This is the old steering wheel. You can see what it looks like. Put this on really quick. Pretty ugly. Didn't have the insert. Just didn't work. So, can get rid of that one. We got a nice one from Amazon. One of the cheaper ones, but there it is. Way nicer. Fits the boat with a stainless steel look. It's got a black center cap and should work out really well. Other project yesterday is that we got the windshield on Little Red. So it is early this morning. Everything still has morning dew on it, but that was a chore. To bend it on was a chore. To get the rubber tracking in place was a chore. It was a lot of work. Have to get this trim on today, the top of the windshield, but it totally changed the profile of the boat. Completely looks different, the way it should. Short video today, hope you like it. Put another one up when we're done with some more projects. Bye.